Hello, welcome. I'm so glad you could join us here today. So let's talk a little bit here about this program we've got going on. It is a course and it is Mindset in Business. And why do you need a mindset to involve with your business? Why do you need the two to work together, to coincide happily in unison with each other? Well, in order to have this come together, you have to have the right mindset. You have to be a positive, vision, thinking, seeing person. And when you are, you will see everything your visions show you, everything you're desiring, everything you are wanting to manifest, to create in your life, in your business, it all will come together. And when you do this, you will find it will get so much simpler. Simple systems, simple tasks, simple ways. That's what it's all about, is being as simple and prosperous as you can be, right? And that's what you need to be. So put all of this together, get all distractions away, focus on what you're doing. And when you do, you are going to find you will have breakthrough after breakthrough after breakthrough. It all starts with your mindset and building that foundation that you need to build for your lifestyle, for you. So do this and be positive and see the vision you really want to create and see it going forward. So I look forward to seeing any feedback you have on this course, and I look forward to seeing you grow and to becoming that person that you really want to be, because you can do it. I know you can. And definitely put your vision forward, put your positive foot forward, and have affirmations and be the you want to be. Okay, guys? This is for you. This whole course was created for you to be prosperous and for you to be the success you need to be. So I look forward to hearing the feedback from you guys. I will talk to you later. Enjoy this course.